Hi guys, so we are at Tempsford level crossing in Bedfordshire, Joe thought. Right, so there we go. Now, the time is 11:44 on Saturday, 8th of August 2015. This is for. This is for our 11:49 Pursuit Papa 43 Great Northern Series and Peterborough to Lincoln's Cross. The amber light's not on for very long, is it? Did you? I heard a beep. I know. Is it on this line? This alarm used to be pretty noisy, didn't it, Paul? Yeah, used to be. There comes that tractor from that other video. So when I watched that 9-minute video of each crossing, I watched this video and a tractor coming up at Tempsford. I've thought to myself, did this tractor build this crossing? I used to have crazy imaginations when I was younger. I still kind of do. Because my biggest dream is to actually build a huge train track across the Atlantic Ocean to America. Which I know will never ever happen with a triple-decker train. It'd be awesome if I could do that, but it's kind of a stupid imagination really. It will never happen. With like roller wheels. Oh, 322! Or 321, I don't know what it is. We've got 321402! 321402 to Lincoln's Cross, and up they go. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.